Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're gonna be replacing this factory Honda head unit from 2003 CRV with an aftermarket Android head unit. So for this assembly, it's like pretty simple, just two screws down here, and you'll need one of these screwdrivers. Focus. It's not focusing. And one of these for probably prying some clips, and that's it. So right after removing those screws, you're probably gonna pry here a little bit. Is it already coming out? Okay, there you go. There you go. First thing, it's removing this clip. This out. This out of the way. I'm gonna remove these 4 screws right here. So all 4 screws are out. You just pull it. Should come straight out. Remove the antenna and the main plug, and that's it. It's that simple. So I brought it inside. It's backwards, as you can see, but I was just making sure all the cables and the pins here match the radio harness and the adapter thing I bought. This is the one I got. They have it at Walmart. It's pretty cheap, like $10 or something. And yeah, it matches the radio and the factory harness and the aftermarket harness. And the unit I'm going to be replacing, this one is going to be with this one. It's an, I don't know how to pronounce it, ATOTO A6. I don't know if that's proper. And I already encountered a little issue, and it is that the actual thing, it's smaller than the factory unit, and yeah, but that's no biggie. That's the smallest of our problems today. And now we're gonna put everything together and have a look and try to see if it works. So everything is already made it to each other. I don't know if that's a proper word. I had a little issue, which is one of these cables from the harness that goes to the factory one has 2 cables for light. One of them is for the dimmer and one of them is for the actual light. But as this is like an actual just monitor head unit, you don't need, I think that's my theory, you don't need a light switch because it's always on. So you'll need just the dimmer for when you turn on the lights on the car. So let's test it out. So it should be a very simple thing. Just plug this straight here, right? That's it. Yep. And this one to the radio itself. Is it there? Yes, it is. Ooh. This is like the first start, so if there's something, I'm not even counting how long it's taking. Oh wow, that was quick. Oh, I haven't plugged in the antenna. Oh, let's give it a try. Let's plug this thing. There you go. Oh, let me see. Okay, it's already working. Wow, that's
rattling.
Wow. Brian Ellsworth is the Venezuela bureau chief for Reuters. Brian, thanks so much.
Thank you.
So what I did was I plugged in the Wi-Fi antenna and the GPS antenna. Put everything back together. I didn't record that because it's like super simple stuff.
But yeah, I connected myself to some random internet signal that was in the air. As you can see, like I was telling earlier, there's a little gap here in between the radio and the actual plastic trim. But that's no big. I was just thinking on either buying the plastic trim for it or some weather stripping, or I don't really know. I'm just saying some stuff. I downloaded some maps here at Google. Clearly you will need to connect yourself with a Google account or something, or just create one, whatever. And after downloading the map, it just works perfectly. It won't give you like any updates or whatever because it's like offline, but it works properly and it's very precise. So yeah, if you want to test, I've been playing with it for a while now. If you want to test the GPS signal, you can just go there, as you saw. I'll tell you how many satellites are measuring your position. You can just come here and be super precise with it. I took it for a spin. The altitude is not perfect, but yeah, it works. And the speed is perfect. And yeah, I don't know what's happening. I fixed my clock here to the actual time. I don't know what's happening. It's not like, I don't know what's happening. It's out of time. This is the actual time here, and this is not. I don't know, but yeah, I mean, I'll just keep playing with it, and I will update you guys on the long run. If you guys want, like, just comment, like, or whatever, and let me know, and I can do like a long-term review or whatever. And yeah, hope you guys liked it. Take it easy, guys.